Block 6, the Great Depression, Section 5, after the 100 days, with the Frazier Lemke Farm Bankruptcy Act. Frazier Lemke was a thing that was similar to the Housing Authority in the sense that it tried to help farmers keep their farms. Farmers borrow money to pay for their farms and then pay off the loans, obviously, with the money they make from selling crops at the end of the year. When the prices of crops went down and the soil was no good, lots of farm families began to default on their mortgages, default on their loans, and they lost their farms. The Frazier Lemke Farm Relief Act, the Farm Bankruptcy Act, made it more difficult for banks to foreclose on farms. And the rule was that if a farm family defaulted on a loan, that the bank would take over the loan, but they couldn't evict the farm family. The farm family had to stay, or could stay if it so chose, on the farm that now the bank had ownership of. In 5 years, the bank had to give that family an opportunity to buy the farm back at a very, very low interest rate, less than 1% or around 1% a year on the years that the bank had owned the farm. So it gives farmers an opportunity because the government kind of expects recovery. They figure within 5 years farmers will be able to rebuy their farms and they can kind of go on farming as they had in the first place. So the Frazier Lemke Farm Bankruptcy Act does two things. It allows farmers to stay on their land after they've defaulted on loans, and it allows them to buy their land back if times get better, crop prices rise, within 5 years of losing the farm in the first place.